ka din, hindi pwedeng hindi ka mainis sa sinasabi mo eh. Di ba? Naiinis ka din.
Mr. Chair,
Naasar ka
actually,
din. Tama ba ako? Naasar ka rin. Nai-stress ka din dun eh.
not really, Mr. Chair, because I'm a very, I grew up in a household with very political orientation, so it is something that I really like
So
doing.
did you grow up in a household where you curse each other?
No, my parents are devout
So you
Catholic.
did
I'm the
not
only
grow
one who
up
curse
in a household.
I am the only one who curse in our household.
You are the only one that
Yes,
curse.
yes, that is correct.
Well, you know, you're a grown-up person. Sana tinuruan ko ng bata ka pa ng magulang mo. Ako tinuruan ako ng bata ng magulang ko eh. Nawag akong magmura eh.
They did, Your
Kaya hindi ako
Honor.
nagmumura eh, Mr. Chair.
They did teach me.
So, tinuruan ako
teach
ng
me
magulang
that, Your
ko
Honor.
ng bata ako wag magmura eh. Kaya hanggang ngayon, hindi ako nagbumura eh.
They did teach me not to curse, Your Honor, but they also taught me how to be your authentic self.
Ganon. Okay ka. In one of your posts, you said, ito nakakaawa ang mga pulis under BBM administration.